Welcome to AI Cobot Beginner's Training. This is Chapter 1, Get Familiar with Robot's Motion. In this chapter we will explain how the robot arm represents the current posture in space, and how we should control the robot arm. A human robot is composed of 6 motors, we call them axes. Each axis has its own rotation angle. When users control joint movement, they should be aware of the positive and negative directions of rotation for joint 1 and joint 4 are different from those of the other axis. In order to express specific locations in space more conveniently, the concept of coordinate systems is commonly used. Specify a certain position in space using the 3 vectors, x, y and z. Take a robot as example. The origin of its coordinate system is defined at the center of its base. All points in space or other coordinate systems, such as tool coordinate systems and vision coordinate systems, are defined with regards to the robot base. Definition of the robot base is as illustrated in the image. The opposite direction of compound wire is plus x, and the vertical direction of the base is plus z. Using the right-hand rule, we can determine the plus y direction. Similar to the robot's coordinate system, there is also a defined coordinate system on the flange surface. The center of the flange surface serves as the origin of this coordinate system. Z-axis direction is perpendicular to the center of the flange surface, the y-axis direction points towards the built-in camera. And according to the right-hand rule, the x-axis direction is the right direction when facing the built-in vision. When a new tool is attached to the robot, a new tool center point, or TCP, should also be created. The TCP is defined by the exact translational and rotational difference between the robot flange and the tip of the end effector. Users will need to set the tool center point. In addition to the standard x, y, z information, there are also Rx, Ry, Rz parameters for configuration. The Rx, Ry, Rz values are used to describe the orientation of the tool. Take a look at the picture on the left. What are the x, y, and z values of the tool center point, TCP? Correct answer is C. The tip of the tool center point is on the negative x direction 210 mm. Next question. What are the Rx, Ry, and Rz values of the tool center point? Correct answer is B. The tool's z-axis is 90 degrees negative from the flange base. It rotates the Ry axis. In conclusion, the new TCP is set as x minus 210 and Ry as minus 90. Robot will record TCP positions in space, named point. The point information consists of 2 parts. X, Y and Z is the actual position of the tool center point according to the specified coordinate system. Rx, Ry and Rz indicates the orientation of the tool when the point is saved. This indicates when the tool center point moves plus 10 in z-axis of robot base. In another example, the tool center point moves plus 10 in z-axis of tool base. This concludes Chapter 1. Please move on to the next chapter.